Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a Kaiser Permanente member account, online registration guide step by step clearly. To create a Kaiser Permanente member account, start by visiting the official Kaiser Permanente website. Once on the home page, locate the sign in option at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the sign in button to proceed. Next, you will see an option that says create an account. Click on Create an Account to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a new page asking for your personal information. Fill in the required fields, including your name, date of birth, and email address. Make sure to create a secure password that meets the specified criteria. After entering your information, click on the Next button to continue. You may be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the instructions provided, which may include answering security questions or entering a verification code sent to your email. Once your identity is verified, you will be asked to provide additional information such as your member ID. Carefully enter your member ID and any other requested details. After filling out all necessary information, click on the Submit button to complete your registration. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully created. Check your email for a confirmation link to verify your email address. Click on the link to verify your email and activate your account. Once your account is activated, return to the Kaiser Permanente website to sign in. Use your newly created credentials to access your member account. Explore the available features and resources within your account to manage your healthcare needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.